we're getting ready to make an environment poster. Now, I have here with me today some magazine papers. I also happened to have some green, so I went ahead and cut some random green shapes and 3 small green strips. But then I had a look at this green paper and I decided that I really like this green in here. So I'm also going to cut a random shape from this green paper. We'll see how best we can use it. So there we have some green shapes, our green strips, and I also want to use a bit of blue. I found this nice blue page in the magazine. I think we can make a circle somewhere here. So I'm going to trace the shape and cut it out. So now I have pasted my blue circle in this corner of my paper. At the same time, I also cut 2 blue strips and pleated them. From the magazine paper, I cut 2 green strips. I've pleated one and I'm just about to finish pleating the other one. We fold it the same way you would fold your paper if you were making a fan. 1 down, 1 up. 1 down, 1 up, and you fold the strip all the way. Okay, now I'm ready to paste them in place. And I think I'll put my green ones at the bottom and my blue ones to the side. I have 2 black mitten shapes, which I'm going to place at the end of each blue strip. And 2 shoe shapes for the end of each green strip. There we go. And then I'm going to quickly place my random green shapes onto my blue circle. It doesn't really matter where you place it. And I'm going to paste this little magazine paper as well, and 1 more little green shape. Let's see, I think right about there. And there is Mr. World. All I need to do is give him a cute little face. So Mr. World is ready. Now you're going to see what I'm going to do with my 3 green strips. I'm putting them together evenly and making a fold. Then I'm going to take them apart and I'm going to paste 1 down and the other 2 to create a sort of a triangle shape. Close enough to a triangle, not quite. So I have created 3 triangles and I have put 1 pointing down, 1 going across, and 1 coming up. And that's our internationally recognized recycling sign. In this corner, I'm going to put something that I'm going to make from this picture I found in a magazine. And it's going to be very simple. I'll just cut this place it in the corner. I have a lid already cut out to put on top. And now I am ready to write my text and complete my poster. So I put in my words, and the last thing I'm going to do is just make sure I place his arms and legs firmly down so they don't get in the way of the text. 1 foot here and 1 foot just about there, and that's it. My poster is complete. I may go ahead and just add some more color just to make it really special. Do have fun creating your own environment-friendly poster with Mr. World, and be sure to use the recycling sign. Have fun creating. I can't wait to see what you do.